In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use color-coded folders in Google Drive. This method is a fantastic way to keep your files visually organized and make your navigation process much faster and more efficient. You might find it particularly effective if you're juggling multiple projects or want to make frequent file access as seamless as possible. Let's dive into how you can set this up. First, let's talk about changing folder colors in Google Drive on the web platform. Start by right-clicking on any folder you'd like to customize. From the context menu that appears, you'll want to select Change Color. You'll then see a palette with 24 vibrant colors to choose from. Simply click on any of these colors and right away you'll notice that the folder's icon updates to reflect your choice. Did you know that this color coding feature isn't just limited to actual folders? That's right, you can now also apply colors to shortcuts of folders. Shortcuts are incredibly useful when you need to access shared folders or frequently used items quickly without cluttering your main directory. To change the color of a shortcut, right-click on the shortcut icon. You'll recognize it by the small curved arrow over the folder image. Then, just as you did with standard folders, choose Change Color and select your preferred hue. It's important to note, these color customizations are only visible to you, so each user can create a personalized organization system without impacting others who might share the same folder. Now, let's look at how to use this color coding system strategically. Assigning colors based on specific categories can greatly enhance your productivity. For instance, you might use red for urgent projects that need immediate attention, blue for long-term archives that can be revisited over time, and green for personal files. By maintaining consistent color usage across your drive, you'll find it becomes second nature to locate and identify the type of document or folder you're working with. Perhaps you could designate all Projects folders with a distinctive orange. Remember that in shared drives, each individual user still has the freedom to choose their own folder color scheme. Moving on to using shortcuts for better organization, you can create these for any folder or file shared with you. If it appears in the Shared with Me section and you want quick access from your own drive, simply right-click the shared item, then select Add Shortcut to Drive. Choose the location where you want to place this shortcut within your drive. Remember, this action does not duplicate the file. It merely creates a link to it. For those files or folders that you know you'll be accessing frequently, adding them to your starred section is a great idea. Right-click on the item and select Add to Starred. This will highlight those important items, providing you with an easy-to-access area through the starred view on the left panel of Google Drive. Consider combining both shortcuts and color coding for maximum efficiency. Create a shortcut to a shared folder, color-code it according to your color scheme, and star it if it's particularly significant. This way, colors on shortcuts make it simple to visually distinguish your frequently used folders from the others you have. I hope you found these tips helpful in optimizing your Google Drive experience. By employing strategic use of colors and shortcuts,